Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashutosh Singh, currently studying MBBS first year at St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to fill KEA registration form. So let's get started. So let's start with the application. First of all, we have to go to KEA website. I'll provide this link in the description below. So first of all, we have this option, have you registered and applied for UGCET? Then those who have registered for UGCET, they can select yes, and for non-Karnataka candidates, those who have not appeared for UGCET, they have to select no. After selecting no, this form will proceed further. Then we have to click on proceed to registration for new user. Now first option we have you completed SSLC from Karnataka board? Then for non-Karnataka candidates they have to select no, and for Karnataka candidates they have to select yes. Then we have to mention our board from which we have completed a 10th. Then after that we have to add roll number. Before adding the roll number, we have to add prefix in which year we have completed our 10th. Then then we have to add basic details like name, date of birth, and then we have to choose our category in Karnataka. So for non-Karnataka candidates, they have to select general merit, and then in this option, have you taken UGCET 2023? So in this option, there will be two options, yes or no. So if you have appeared for UGCET, you can select yes, and if you have not appeared for UGCET, you have to select no. Then the course you have to select medical. Then what is your qualification, you have to select 12th. Then the nationality, then residence. Then after that you have to put your NEET UG roll number. Once you put your NEET UG roll number, some of the details will automatically come. And then if you are an Indian, do you claim Karnataka quota? So if you are Karnataka resident and willing to claim Karnataka quota, so you can click on the yes. And if you are non-Karnataka candidate, you have to click on no. Then do you wish to claim seat under NRI ward? Then you have to click on no. Once once you register with the basic details, and once you register and submit, then your registration will be completed and you will get user ID and the password. And keep this user ID and password safe with you so that you can log in. Once you log in using your user ID and password, this page will appear. In this page you have to enter general details like email, state, taluk, name, application number will automatically come. Then this district address, then resident, and then religion you have to select. If you are a Christian candidate and wish to apply to St. John's Medical College, then you have to select Christian. And in this subcaste you have to select Roman Catholic. Then the mother tongue, then qualifying board 11th standard, then qualifying board 12th standard. Then next is total number of years studied in Karnataka. So if you are non-Karnataka candidate, you have to select 0. And did you appear for UG NEET exams in the previous year? So in this section you have to select no, because if you select yes, this page will not proceed further. This page will ask for CET number, so better to select no, and then this page will proceed. Then click on save. Then after that, once you click on save, you will have to add reservation details. Then you have to add caste name and your family income. Then you have to upload these documents: 10th standard mark sheet, 12th standard mark sheet, UG NEET mark statement, and the passport size photo, signature and thumb. Click on the save. Then you have to add your certificate number. So if you have any reserve first to class 12th, you have to enter class first, in which year you have passed, then board, then education. Then you have to add your basic details. Then after that you have to put your marks like subject wise, in 12th standard, like physics, chemistry, bio, maximum marks and obtained marks. And then the result status pass, and you have to upload your then after that you have to click on declaration. and you will get the payment gateway and submit the fees, and your application form will be completed. So this was all about how to fill KEA registration form. And still, if you are facing any issue while filling the form, so you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching my video.